point of this book, they had studies about how meditation, exercises will help with people with depression. And yes, they're proposing you a very useful action. Some books are just theories, and you don't know actually. Okay, you have information, but you don't know what to do, how to apply that information in your life. So here what they recommend. You do meditation, followed by exercises. And the whole duration of this meditation plus exercises is 1 hour per day. 1 hour. And you need to do that, I don't recall exactly, it's around 2-3 times per week. And it's probably around for 8 weeks. And I can tell you, this is not really actionable for people with depression. Because if you ever had depression, you know, doing something for 1 hour, that's a lot. When I had that depression, I was not able to do any task more than 2 minutes. Even I forced myself to do anything. After 2 minutes, I just want to, come on, I don't want to do that. I will go and lie on my couch or whatever. This is not doable for me. So, and I'm guessing even if it's working solution, for most people it's going to be completely useless. So let me know if you ever had depression. Will you be able to do that 1 hour per day? It's probably not, because most people with depression, they don't have that motivation to do anything. It doesn't matter what exactly. If it's just walking on your neighborhood like 30 minutes, that's a lot. Most people won't be able to do that. So, and what I'm recommending to you, I have this program. It's minimum you need to take that program for 4 weeks. And you need to dedicate only 10 minutes per day. And exercises were very simple. And probably people with lack of motivation will be able to do that. Even if it's 10 minutes too much for you, you can start with just 5 minutes. You can do just baby step. It doesn't need to be like huge this action. Even you can start to do it, let's say first week you do it only twice per week, then you increase it to 3 weeks, then you increase it to 5 times per week from Monday to Friday, and have some days without exercises like Saturday, Sunday. It depends on your circumstances and your life. And eventually you will need to do it every single day. It needs to be done every single day for 2 weeks straight. Otherwise it might not have any effect, and you might feel like this doesn't make any sense, I don't feel anything, why bother to do that even if it takes only 10 minutes. But some results you will see after 2 weeks. Some people will get result only after doing like 3 weeks. Some will have result after 4 weeks. It depends how severe your situation and if you will be doing every single day. The best thing, if you will do this exercise afternoon, let's say after you work, 2-3 hours before bedtime is ideal. But you can do it even before bedtime. It depends. It really depends how you feel about it. So as far as depression treatment option, if you tried medication and it didn't make much difference to your life and you still have lack of motivation, the hardest part is doing like this first step to start to doing anything. Even your doctor will tell you you need to do physical activity. You will go around your neighborhood like 10-20 minutes. It might not make huge difference for you because it's not aerobic exercises. You're just walking around, and it depends, and you just walk around and your brain doing some kind of intrusive thoughts. It's not gonna make any difference. So if you're interested in doing exactly the same thing, just get that book, try it. It's proven. It works for people for depression. Unfortunately, that book didn't specify how severe depression was for such patients. We don't know because if it's just mild, it's one story. If it's major depression episode, it's completely another case. Maybe they didn't have severe depression. That's the reason this meditation and exercises could work for them. For example, meditation never worked for me. Exercises, I'm still not doing any exercises. I'm not there yet. So I'm not sure, like, this what, like, what? You really think someone will do this? I doubt. So, please subscribe to my channel. Send to your friends, to anyone who might be interested in this one. Because this is unique exercises and it's free. You cannot find anything like that free, only it's quite expensive. So, thanks for watching. See you soon.